I couldn't tell you why. It seemed like too much. Doesn't sound like me, right? New age, new me? No, I'm kidding. What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today I am doing something so different. I have never done this before for a video, and that is using this bag right here to pack for my 3-day birthday weekend trip. Let's get into the video. So this weekend is actually my birthday. It is on a Saturday. By the time this video goes up, it will have come and gone, but I really need to get packing. I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to fit everything in here. It's gonna be super cold this weekend. We are going to New Hampshire, going to a little Airbnb in the mountains, and I'm so excited. But I need to fit everything in here because there's 5 of us going into one car. So we need as much room as possible. So let's see if we can pack this bag for a winter weekend getaway. And I will be trying the outfits on because I need to make sure they look good before I pack them. That's the only reason why I'm wearing sweatpants today. Anyways, if you're curious, I have this little bundle on the floor. These are the clothes that I bought in my last video when I thrifted for this little birthday weekend trip. So we're gonna see how much of these things I can pack. My friend just did send the weather report for this weekend, and it's supposed to be like around the 20s, a little below, so I have to dress really warm. We're not doing anything too crazy. We're driving up on a Friday. We're probably gonna go just like settle in to the Airbnb, and we're gonna cook dinner Saturday, which is my birthday. I'm really hoping to go ice skating, and then we're gonna go to a little nearby town and walk around, do maybe some shopping. Maybe we'll go out to dinner, and then on Sunday we will have to pack up and leave, but I am hoping we're gonna go on a little winter hike. But I do want to start with my actual birthday outfit because I've had this idea in my brain. I need it to work. It's literally nothing crazy. I just got this sweatshirt from Hollister. It's like a dark cheetah, which is really exciting. Fits my aesthetic. I think I have a cute idea. First, I was deciding between these 2 pairs of pants. I'm really thinking I want the black baggy jeans. Not that this is gonna be anything crazy, but I think it's just gonna be nicer together. So I'm gonna put that on. And then for my top, I'm going to take a little tip from my How to Style long sleeve shirts. And I think I'm going to layer this black short sleeve shirt over one of these 2 long sleeve shirts. I don't know if I want the white because it might be too stark, black and white, you know? I do have this gray one, but it's just a lot thinner, and I actually don't love this gray. So I also really was like, I could do this shirt, but then I'm like, the stripes versus the cheetah, but like the cheetah's gonna be covering it anyway, so like, does it even really matter? So I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna put it on. I know I look crazy, but this is just a layer. This is how you add warmth. So I actually have these fleece lined leggings that I will probably be wearing under my jeans. Now, right off the bat, I put the shirt on. It could work. I feel like this part right here, I'm not gonna like. It's gonna be cold. Like, yes, this shirt is gonna cover that part, but it's still gonna feel like one less layer. Like, obviously, I'm not in the temperatures right now, so I can't even really tell. Am I gonna be warm enough? Like, I could be warm right now, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna be warm there. Let me just see if the whole outfit together works with the sweatshirt mainly, because that is really the part that I want. Okay. Why is this not? Hello? Okay, so it is a boxy fit. I don't know, something about it feels off right now. Guys, this is gonna be really sad because I really wanted to wear this. What is it that I'm not liking? I feel like it's like where it's hitting. That'll be like the last thing. So actually, let me put on, because I know I want to wear my Docs. Now, I know Docs are not winter boots. These are going to be probably just walking around town. Like, I'm not going to be hiking with these shoes. I think I will go with a universal belt that I always wear, layering it up in some chains, right? That's what we got to do. Okay, so like this one's really long, which I would not wear just like that. But because I'm adding these, like I think this is a little bit shorter, so it might layer out nice. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna leave that off to the side. Just gonna leave this guy here. I'm not gonna be wearing these hoops. I wanna wear these little maces. Those are fun. Necklaces. I feel like as much as I like wanna go all out, like again, to save space and like with layers and layers of clothes, like the jewelry is gonna get so tangled. I'm thinking maybe staying on the lighter side of jewelry. I might just do these 2 necklaces. These are really good. It's chunky, but it's like simple enough. You know, like I feel like I don't need to do anything too much more if I just add these 2 on. I'm gonna add the sweatshirt back on. Not loving this as much as I thought I was going to, and I'm getting very sad. Maybe it needs to be up like this. Is it because I can't see my belt? Like, I literally don't understand what my problem is right now. Okay, that's like a little better. I'm gonna try something. I think because these are men's jeans, I think I need to fold this over. So if we fold this over, you leave the chain. Oh God, that's even worse. Oh no. Weirdly enough, I think it was better before. I'm just like surprised. Like I was like, there's actually no way that I would hate this because like it feels foolproof. Sweatshirt, jeans, and a shirt. Like how could I possibly mess that up? I think it just needs to be up like that. Do I look frumped? No, wait, I think this is good. Is this good? I can't even tell anymore, guys. I think I've been looking at it too long. I think if I do it like this, it's okay. I also liked the hood because of how big it is. Like, I love a big hood. Hold on. I have a backup sweatshirt. That is my spiked one. Okay, this one is like a little bigger and like slouchier. Yeah, I feel like maybe I was picturing it more like this sweatshirt. Do you see how it's different? I also don't know if it's because like the inside was white and I didn't love that. I think the base, I could pack. To be honest, the white's not bad. I think I just need to figure out the sweatshirt situation. So we should do another outfit. I'm taking too long on this one. Actually, I take it back. Before we go any further, I forgot I had another pair of jeans that I could totally try this whole thing on with. So we'll see if this is gonna make any difference. I don't know. And I also wanted to show you the coat I'll be wearing on top of this because this is obviously not gonna be enough when I'm out in the 20-degree weather. Is this even gonna be the outfit I'm wearing? You know, it's gonna be just covered by the coat. Do I like this better? I think a little bit, actually. Like, this is boxy, right? But these pants are like baggier than the black ones, so I'm wondering if like that's probably having something to do with it. Because actually this is not bad. I ain't mad at this one. And then I'll probably be wearing this big fur coat over it. Like, I just feel like it automatically makes every outfit I own cool. This is probably it. That a little bit sucks. I really, really wanted to wear the dark jeans, but I also really wanted to wear the sweatshirt. So really I have to decide sweatshirt or jeans. I'm literally overthinking this actually too much. So now I'm actually gonna go on to the next outfit. I don't know if we are going out for my birthday dinner. So, okay, I'm gonna need a second to think. Okay, I think after some long thought and consideration, I think I might wear this shirt under the black t-shirt. I know I just changed everything around, yeah. I think this is what I'm gonna do for my birthday with the black jeans and the cheetah sweatshirt, okay? Because you're not gonna really see my sleeves, so it doesn't really matter. It's gonna be covered by the sweatshirt anyways. And I really think that if we do end up going out that night, if I have this shirt, I could maybe just switch out the black t-shirt for this vest. Obviously not wear the sweatshirt, and then I'll have the fluffy coat. I want it to be a little bit cutesier, but again, trying to bring the least amount of stuff as possible. Like, the vest makes it cutesier, I think. And then if I don't have the sweatshirt on and I just have the coat, this could maybe be the wave. That's like even if we go out. I don't like, this is all like a just in case scenario. I mean, technically I could just do this. Like, maybe I should see how much room I have. Still figuring stuff out. If you're enjoying getting a little stressed out about packing for this all exciting and important birthday weekend, please hit the like and subscribe down below. I think I'm doing this wrong. I think I'm packing wrong, or maybe I'm just stressed out because I'm like, oh no, now people are gonna be watching how I'm actually doing this. I'm gonna go into the hiking outfit. That's what I'm gonna do. I know for almost positive I will be wearing my new gray hiking pants and this Columbia fleece. I think it'll be very warm. Like, when you're hiking, you're moving around, you're trying not to get too hot. I'm gonna wear a long sleeve under this. Probably one of these two. See, I'm using all the stuff I got. These are just two long sleeve waffle type shirts. I feel like I'm probably gonna go with this one. So let me put that on. So good. Yes. So I think what I would do is probably tuck these in. I'll probably need a belt. And I kind of want to do this, but like, is that gonna be crazy? Are you even gonna be able to see it? I'm just feeling like more of like a canvas kind of belt would be better. I also will not be putting my shoes on because my shoes are my boots and those are in my car and they're hella dirty. Great. Probably just gonna put this sweater on over top. You get hiking, start moving around. I feel like I'll like just end up in this anyway. I think I'm just gonna top it off with the fleece. All right. Oh, look at me. Oh yeah. I'm going for a hike, guys. This is such a good fashion hike channel. This is my black pinstripe scarf, but I'm feeling like black will probably be the best. It'll be easiest to go with everything. I will definitely also be bringing gloves. Anything else? Well, I also will bring a beanie. I love this one. My mom made me this one. This is like literally my favorite because it's a little cat. It's so cute. Should I just bring this? How much room is a hat really gonna be taking up? Because I was just gonna bring this one. This one's also fleece lined, so this will also definitely be keeping me warm. I just think this would be cute if I wore this beanie and I had two little braids. I'm feeling this is the vibe. Well, I am thinking like, what am I gonna wear on the ride up / what will I be wearing to bed / that first day? I'm definitely gonna be bringing sweatpants. I feel like these I'm gonna wear to sleep. Should I also just wear these up too? And then maybe wear the sweater. Oh, you know what I could do? You know what I should do? Okay, hold on. Let me figure this out. I could just wear this on the way up because I want another top. I was like stressing out about the one top. I don't know why. I'm gonna be gone for 3 days. I can have 3 different tops. I probably am gonna cover this with honestly either the sweater or this. So I'll be warm enough this way. I'm bringing a fleece coat, a sweatshirt, a sweater, and my coat. I think I need to make sure everything will fit. I hope you guys are enjoying my thought process because this is a lot. Okay, so if I wear these on the way up, I could just sleep in these both nights. I'll just need like a t-shirt to sleep in. I also will be wearing my Docs up because I'm not bringing a million shoes. Like, I'm not bringing slippers. Like, I can't. And then I will bring my hiking boots. So if I'm wearing this up, this doesn't matter. So I can start packing with this stuff on. All right, time to pack. And I'm all the way back here. We need to get this pile to fit in my bag right here, which I think we can do. Let me fold everything. Y'all don't fold stuff before you put it in your bag. I can't really see anyone just doing that. This is the matching top for the fleece leggings that I have. I'm just gonna bring it just in case. I think I should be fine, but I don't think it's gonna, again, take up that much room. I think all of this can fit. I'm not too worried. Pants. I got my nails done again, so it feels like everything I'm doing is like 10 times harder, and I don't want to do anything. I'm like giving up on everything, because I'm like, I have nails, I can't do it. And then we'll put the fleece, guys. Oh yeah, all this stuff's gonna fit. No problem. Now I'm like, can I bring more stuff? No, because I have to put toiletries and stuff in here. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so then honestly, this might be just the right amount. And then I think I will have just enough room to put like makeup, toiletries, underwear, socks. I think we're set. Nice. I'm gonna be wearing probably this sweater with this outfit and or this jacket, so I'll have those. Probably should bring some type of purse or bag because probably will be walking around a little bit around town. This is always my go-to bag. And then I could put anything else I need in here too that doesn't fit in this bag. I think we're good. I hope so. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I know this was a little bit different. I don't really have a process to packing. It is a little bit more like, I want to look good at every point of every hour of every day on my trip, but it's always so stressful because obviously you can't have your whole closet and you want to bring the least amount of stuff as possible. So I think I did a decent job. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could comment down below letting me know how you felt about this video. I know this was probably a little bit chaotic, not what we're used to. If you hate it, I won't do it ever again. Don't tell me you hated it, just be like, hey, maybe do this instead next time and not a packing video. Anyways, while you're down there, if you could press the like and subscribe button just to say thanks for being here. I just noticed the other day actually that we finally hit 4K subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I love you guys so much. This is so crazy. I still remember the time when I hit 100 subscribers and that feeling I had, and it was just like, oh my god, like this is happening, and I still feel like that. So I just want to thank you guys all so much. I really do love and appreciate you guys as always, and I guess I will see you next week. Bye guys.